These little tiny little rain showers we have haven't really been all that helpful because they're so few and far between. So we need rain. We want rain. When do we want it? Now. So let's go ahead.
We've got to start cheering for it.
Right. Let's go outside though and take a look at noon. Now this is a beautiful picture sent to us by George. That's a great picture. I mean, it looks like he did something to the color there on the Frost building, but he was wondering, you notice right where it says 5 o'clock, there's that little square there, there's a little bit of a scud cloud, it looks like, that may have broken apart from another cloud. Now, he had asked via email this morning, was that something tornadic? And the answer, George, is no. In order for it to be a tornado, first of all, it has to hit the ground. That's basically rule number one. And then two, there just really wasn't enough in the atmosphere to support something tornadic. So, all right, we've been talking all morning about doomsday, and about 6 o'clock local time is when it's proposed to happen. So by 5 o'clock, we're going to get at about 90 degrees and mostly cloudy. The winds are going to pick up right before, I guess, the end comes. I don't know. By 10 o'clock, if we're still around, it's going to be 78 degrees and still rather windy outside. Now, Camp Mabry right now is reporting mostly, it should be mostly cloudy. These just came in. Apparently, Camp Mabry was down earlier today. We're kind of playing catch up. But it is 72 degrees right now at Camp Mabry and 70 degrees at the airport. If you're headed out and about across the area, it's 75 right now in San Antonio, 78 in Houston, and 81 degrees in Corpus Christi, and 84 in Brownsville. Allergy issues, not too bad. A little on the high side, though, for mold, and that's mainly because we've had so much moisture in the air, and then grass at about 30 and lower. Satellite and radar is still very cloudy. Over the next few hours, though, we're going to keep those clouds around. We do expect a cold front to come this way by the end of the week, a dry line with that, as well as some low pressure as well. Now, into Sunday, again, mostly cloudy more than anything, but then that's about it. Any rain and thunderstorms will be towards the edge of the week. Today, a high of 91 degrees and winds out of the southeast at about 10 miles per hour, and then 74 degrees, winds out of the southeast overnight, and 10 to 20 and sometimes gusty. Next 7 days, though, lower 90s and upper 80s. Next best chance of rain is with that front coming by into Monday and into Tuesday and Wednesday. Again, another small chance of rain, but lows mainly in the lower 90s to the upper 80s by Friday for the long weekend.